So now I'm discussing about that how to give user access by the multiple user access by your Webmaster tool. Your other one site will be there in Webmaster. How to give the use access by the multiples members. I have the one Webmaster is there for your working my website for indexing purpose and crawling purpose and spam checking purpose. I can give access by the other user using with the Gmail. Only is flexible by Gmail, not for Yahoo, not for Outlook. Webmaster belongs to only for Gmail. Now here, this is my site for crawling and indexing purpose and give access by the other user. Just go to my Webmaster, write down points, log in your Webmaster, select your particular site. After selecting your site, the option call is settings in the right corner. After selecting website, the option call is settings. Click the setting option. In the setting, please select the fifth option, user and property owner. Click the user and property owner. First, copy the email address. Select any email address. Which email you can give access. Select the email address. Here, please select option call is add a new user. Here, user what is looking for? Email is not accepted by Yahoo and Outlook. Is accepted by only for Gmail. Select your Gmail here. Here, they can show by the two options. One is called only for few options they can give. That is called restriction. Second one is called full access. I can when you give the full access, the person can give access by other people also. And give the full access. Click for add. Suppose you can give access one person. So we can delete or not? We can delete. Select simple one person. Click for delete also. Which person not interested can select that person. You can delete also. Look here. So simple. I can select this person. I'm clicking for delete. So I'm selecting for this one email address also. So here is all owners. These are the owners. Owners we can't delete. These are permanent owners. Only for temporary adding purpose we can delete that person also. Select simple. Click for delete. Clear? After adding this one, go to same setting option. Here, option call is sixth one, verification details. Verification details. Go to down. Add a and a owner. Copy your email address. Click for continue. One is called user and property. Second one is a verification. When adding this two option, automatically email will be verified by the other user. So when you login time, they open with the google.com/webmaster is opened by the website. So clear? This is way you can give access by the multiple users. We can give access by n number of users. We can give access. Suppose you're not interested. Simple here. Which email you're not interested? Select that email address. So here, just anyone select here. So which not interested. Now go to here and verify. First one deleted. Second one is called unverified. Is we can use by two options. First we can give the access. Next one is the user will be access is a verified user. So this is what you can give by the multiple user access by using Google Webmasters. So clear? This is way you can give access by the multiple user on one website using with the Google Webmaster. So you're using only for Gmail, not for Yahoo, not for Outlook. They support only for Gmail address.